Work from home jobs, no experience needed. Not everyone who wants to work at home is finding long-term job opportunities. Often, all you want is something easy to do to earn some extra cash quickly. They often take little time and effort and can usually be completed on your own timetable. Please keep in mind that these positions are low paying and will not serve as a guide for your resume. As a result, you will need to work several online jobs to achieve your desired income. Know how to spot and stop work-at-home scams while you search for other opportunities. Today, we will tell you about how to work from home jobs which need no experience. Before we start, go ahead and subscribe. Also, press the bell button to get the latest updates. Without any further delay, let us start. In the list, we have microjob. A microwork is a small online activity for which you are paid a small amount of money, typically a few cents or dollars. They're also known as fast tasks. These tasks are completed by going to a company's website and selecting tasks, or by simply clicking a link. These types of tasks are available on Amazon's Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, and Vicens. Online service marketplaces can also have job openings. Workers provide small services for a fixed price, and customers search the marketplace for individuals who can provide the services they need. Crowdsourcing ventures, which are close to data entry, are job opportunities in which businesses hire an army of virtual employees to complete a small part of a larger project. Reward programs and surveys, which are perhaps the original work-at-home microjobs, are also available. The goal is to complete as many tasks as possible because the fee is so low and the job takes so little time. However, you should be aware of the compensation policy, which means that next on the list we have start a blog. When traveling the globe, blogs are one of the easiest ways to earn a passive income. Although it might be easy to start a blog, you will need to put in the time and effort to reap the benefits. Plant the seeds now for a harvest later. However, once your blog is up and running, earning money and expanding your company is easy. Simply build more content and increase the number of deals available. As your blog becomes more popular, you will be able to attract top talent who will write for you in exchange for a single, highly successful link back to their own websites. Next on the list, we have online juror. Attorneys who are planning for a trial also form a mock jury to get input from people who are close to those who would be on the jury. Since having an in-person mock jury can be expensive, cheaper online jurors are the reasonable alternative. They could listen to audio and watch videos, or they could read the material and respond to questions. Online jury firms ask specific questions of candidates because attorneys are looking for individuals who fit the profile of possible real-life jurors. It's important to note, however, that you should never give out your social security number, credit card number, or bank account details. Online jurors are usually compensated between $10 and $60. Since most online jury companies won't need a large number of jurors, signing up with multiple companies enhances the odds of being chosen for jury duty. To become an online juror, you must first register with multiple jury firms, which will require you to complete a lengthy questionnaire. You'll also have to meet those requirements, which differ by county. Next on the list, we have data entry. Online data entry is becoming more common as a work-at-home option. Companies can now employ independent contractors to work on data entry programs more easily, thanks to new technologies. Data entry operators may use crowdsourcing or remote access to a company's infrastructure. Basic general transcription is one form of data entry. However, most transcription tasks need more expertise. Axion Data Services, SigTrack, and Support Ninja are among the companies that employ data entry personnel. Next on the list, we have website or application testing. You may be fit for a role in website testing if you have strong opinions on what works and what doesn't on the internet. Additional work for user testers may include evaluating websites or mobile apps that are still in progress. Some developers prefer a beginner's perspective, so you don't have to be an expert on the internet. Usability testers are required to conduct assessments based on their demographic profiles, which include schooling, web experience, age, and social media use. Following that, they are given questions to answer or tasks to complete, such as registering on a website and then offering input online. A review normally takes 15 to 20 minutes to complete and pays about $10. Testers are not charged until the client acknowledges their input after completing a review. Technical difficulties, a lack of detail, or other issues determined by the client may result in work being rejected or unpaid. These jobs can be found in almost every business that engages in e-commerce or conducting commercial transactions over the internet. Amazon, eBay, and PayPal are only a few examples. Next on the list, we have Search Evaluator. Evaluators for search engines review search results and provide input on whether they are correct, appropriate, and spam-free. To do so, the evaluator must be well-versed in current culture and the internet, as well as possess excellent communication skills. A college diploma is often required or desired, but it isn't always required. This work-at-home opportunity does take some practice, but it pays well. Although there are some English-only vacancies, these jobs are frequently for bilingual individuals. Search Evaluator, Internet Assessor, Ad Quality Rater, or Internet Judge are all terms used to describe the job of search evaluation. Next on the list, we have Proofreader. If you have an eye for spotting spelling errors or typos, you may be well suited as a proofreader. However, this job may require taking a proofreading course or some prior experience, or you may have to take a test before getting hired. Next on the list, we have Virtual Assistant. You will be assigned work that is close to that of an office assistant as a virtual assistant. Despite the fact that you will be working from home, you must be well organized, effective, and dependable. Filing and keeping records, arranging appointments and activities, and answering phones are all basic duties. Digital assistants are employed by a large number of businesses. For example, Servcorp, a virtual office and service provider based in Sydney, Australia, was founded in 1978. Workstations, conference rooms, co-workers, technology, and everything else you need to run your company are all available. Another organization that offers virtual assistants to help consumers achieve their top objectives is Timid. A virtual assistant performs one initial task as part of the company's free trial. That is all for today, folks. Tell us in the comment section what is your point of view. See you soon with yet another amazing video.